As we live, eat, and hang out with friends, there's a parallel reality that coexists within our world, a much smaller, fascinating dimension, where tiny beings with fundamental roles to the function of our planet live. These microorganisms are known as bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Viruses are simple structures, so simple in fact, we have trouble defining whether or not they are living beings. Although they can multiply themselves, they cannot reproduce or develop metabolic processes, so they function as parasites. They attack the cell's genetic material, modifying it. The cell then functions as a virus maternity, and once it deteriorates, the new viruses spread on to other cells in a search for a new host. There are multiple types of viruses. Adenoviruses, formed by DNA, like the pneumonia virus. Retroviruses, formed by RNA, for example HIV. Viruses transmitted by insects, the arboviruses, like the dengue virus. Bacteriophages infect bacteria. And lastly, the one that infect fungi, mycophages. Viruses are responsible for most dangerous diseases, such as Ebola or HIV. They spread fast and are difficult to contain, making them a serious threat to the health of all living beings. What should we do to prevent them? When viruses enter our bodies, we depend on our immune system. There are cells that recognize the intruder and others that remember it, so in case of an infection, they can organize and efficiently fight the invader. In this context, vaccines aim to previously introduce a virus to our bodies so they know how to fight it later. There are multiple types of vaccines. Some are developed with active or inactive samples of the virus, while others contain DNA or RNA structures that teach our bodies to produce what is necessary to fight the virus. Vaccines contribute to the eradication of virus-spread diseases. Having a big percentage of the population vaccinated helps to achieve group immunity, which protects everyone, especially the ones at risk. But now, the real question stands. How can we protect ourselves? There are many ways. Practicing adequate hygiene, frequently washing our hands with soap and warm water before eating, after blowing your nose, coughing, and sneezing. When you feel like you're about to sneeze, cover your mouth and nose with a tissue and then immediately discard it away. Using an alcohol-based hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol, clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces such as toys or doorknobs. Some viruses are even spread by unsafe sexual activities, responsible for diseases such as HIV or herpes, so be sure to have safe sex. Wear your masks correctly, and when necessary, stay at least 1.5 meters from infected people. Remember to monitor your health every day and listen to your body. It's our duty not only to protect ourselves, but also the people we love. We are all together, and if we can make the world a safer place, then that's exactly what we should do.